Okay, I tried to turn the volume up, and then guess what? I tried turning the volume up, but I guess it doesn't because it just turned it off. I don't know. Guys! What the heck is this? This is like a monster. Look how it looks. Zing. Alright, back to this.
Check.
Guys, back to this.
Sad news. You can't see the Rubik's Cube.
No, you messed it up.
I still didn't see it.
Yeah, but still. The last setup was good. You see it? That's a black line. Bro, I need something that's actually pretty good. You see from here? Alright, good. Alright, good. So, guys. Alright, so good. I love this, guys. I just feel like I'm like doing nothing literally. I please hope for this to solve because sometimes it somehow doesn't work. Yes, it worked. Alright, I solved it. 2x2. 4x4. And then yeah.
Okay, you know you're out there, right?
Yes. Yeah.
You don't have to play with this girl long. Yeah, I told you to go home. You tell me to go home?
No.
Oh,
I'm gonna come back out.
oh, Sammy, does you want to play until Sammy stands now?
I wanna
Solved, guys. Solved.
I gotta take the car off. I don't want no trouble, but I told him that they won't come back home, so. You don't have to play, do you hear me?
I know. I do. I'm so hungry. So good. It's so satisfying when you do this. Oh, like, what is this thing? It's like a monster. Look, I'm gonna solve it. Should I solve it? Oh, I messed up. You know how they go like this, like double twist? Wait, guys. Guys. Oh, Gamma. Gamma. Oh crap.
Are you supposed to go up? Go up.
Gamma.
No, go up. And then go up again, and then turn.
Oh, I was panicking for a second.
Told you I was smart. Bum. Bum, bum.
No, what the heck? This feels like our old Rubik's Cube.
Oh my god, this is so cool. This is a monster.
What should I say, guys? Thanks to Amazon. Even though,
Look.
I just came back from school. I saw it.
Oh! Wait, let me see if I can do it. Boom. Boom. No. No. My
Watch
god,
it.
it's so wiggly.
So satisfying. Boop. Wait, guys. It can't corner twist really good, but it's so good. Yo, this one's corner twist really good. Look, guys. Look, it's kind of like this. Kind of like, no. Dang it. It was good for a second. Yeah, kind of like that. You know, I don't really pay attention to. Yeah. guys. See you in a different video. Bye bye.